Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of eggs. Today, we're stepping into the heart of our kitchens to explore one of the most versatile, humble, and incredibly nutritious ingredients: eggs. They're not just a staple, they're a treasure trove of health benefits waiting to be discovered. So, whether you're a seasoned home cook or just someone who enjoys a hearty breakfast, this video is for you. Eggs have this magical way of transforming into a multitude of delectable dishes. But they're more than just tasty. They're a nutritional powerhouse. From essential vitamins to high-quality protein, they're like nature's little gift to our health. From sunny-side-up mornings to delightful omelets and beyond, eggs are not just delicious, but they're also a treasure trove of goodness for your body. So grab your spatula and let's dive into why these little powerhouses should be a part of your daily routine. First and foremost, eggs are often hailed as one of the most complete and accessible sources of high-quality protein available. They contain all 9 essential amino acids, which are the building blocks of protein. This means they provide the full range of amino acids that our bodies can't produce on their own. The protein in eggs has a high biological value, which means it is efficiently absorbed and utilized by the body. This makes it an excellent protein source for muscle repair, growth, and overall tissue maintenance. The protein in eggs is easily digestible, making it a great option for people with sensitive digestive systems or those looking for a quick and easily absorbed source of protein. Protein is crucial for muscle development and repair. Athletes and individuals engaged in regular physical activity often rely on eggs to support their muscle health. Eggs have a balanced distribution of essential amino acids, which helps optimize their benefits for muscle protein synthesis and various bodily functions. They are incredibly versatile and can be incorporated into a wide range of dishes, from breakfast to dinner. This makes it easy to add protein to your meals in a convenient and delicious way. What's more, eggs are beneficial for eye health primarily due to 2 key antioxidants they contain: lutein and zeaxanthin. These antioxidants are found in high concentrations in the retina of the eye, where they help protect against harmful high-energy light waves like ultraviolet rays. They act like natural sunglasses, absorbing excess light and protecting delicate retinal tissues. Lutein and zeaxanthin are associated with a reduced risk of age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss in older adults. Regular consumption of foods rich in these antioxidants, like eggs, may help prevent or delay the progression of AMD. Additionally, eggs are one of the richest dietary sources of choline, an essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in brain health. Choline is a precursor to acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter involved in memory, mood regulation, and muscle control. Adequate choline intake during pregnancy is particularly important for fetal brain development. Eggs are a good source of vitamin B12, which is essential for proper brain function. Vitamin B12 is involved in the production of myelin, a protective sheath around nerve fibers, and supports overall neurological health. The high-quality protein found in eggs is beneficial for brain health, as it provides the amino acids needed for neurotransmitter production. These neurotransmitters play a vital role in communication between brain cells. While present in smaller amounts than other nutrients, eggs do provide a moderate amount of folate, which is important for cognitive development and function, especially in older adults. Did you know eggs can be a valuable addition to a weight management plan? As we mentioned before, eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein. Protein-rich foods like eggs help increase feelings of fullness and satisfaction, reducing overall calorie intake. This can be especially beneficial for those looking to manage their weight. Studies have shown that a high-protein breakfast, such as one that includes eggs, can lead to reduced calorie intake throughout the day. This can help prevent overeating and promote a healthy weight. The thermic effect of food, TEF, is the energy expenditure required to digest and metabolize food. Protein has a higher TEF compared to fats and carbohydrates, meaning that the body burns more calories during the digestion process. This can contribute to a slightly higher metabolic rate. Eggs are not only rich in protein, but also provide a wide range of essential nutrients. This makes them a nutrient-dense food choice, ensuring that you get a variety of vitamins and minerals without excessive calories. One large egg contains about 70 calories, making it a relatively low-calorie food. This allows you to enjoy the benefits of a nutrient-dense food without consuming excessive calories. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Eggs provide a good balance of protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins and minerals. This balanced macronutrient profile can help support energy levels and overall health while managing weight. Remember, while eggs can be a beneficial part of a weight management plan, it's important to incorporate them into a balanced diet along with a variety of other nutrient-rich foods. But wait, there is more. Eggs can be part of a heart-healthy diet, and here's why. Eggs contain a small amount of saturated fat, but they are also a source of healthy monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, including omega-3 fatty acids. These fats are associated with reduced risk of heart disease. Choline is an essential nutrient that supports cardiovascular health. It helps maintain the structural integrity of cell membranes and is involved in the metabolism of homocysteine, a compound linked to heart disease when elevated. Some studies suggest that regular egg consumption may be associated with a reduced risk of stroke. This is believed to be due, in part, to the presence of nutrients like choline and antioxidants in eggs. Eggs provide a range of essential nutrients, including vitamins B2, B6, B12, A, D, E, and K, and minerals like iron, calcium, potassium, and zinc, which support overall health and heart function. It's important to note that while eggs can be part of a heart-healthy diet, overall dietary patterns and lifestyle choices play a crucial role in heart health. It's recommended to enjoy eggs as part of a balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-rich foods. But the benefits don't stop there. Eggs offer a range of nutrients that support skin health. Eggs are a rich source of biotin, a B vitamin that is crucial for healthy skin. Biotin helps to maintain the health of the skin's outer layer and plays a role in the production of fatty acids, which are essential for skin health. They contain vitamin A in the form of retinol. This vitamin is vital for maintaining the structural integrity of the skin, supporting its moisture content, and promoting healthy cell turnover. Eggs contain sulfur, which is essential for the production of collagen and keratin. These proteins are crucial for maintaining the skin's structure, elasticity, and overall health. Lastly, eggs can contribute to improved mood and mental health. Eggs are a rich source of choline, an essential nutrient that is crucial for brain health. Choline is a precursor to acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that plays a key role in memory, mood regulation, and muscle control. They contain important B vitamins that are essential for a healthy nervous system. They help in the production of neurotransmitters, which are chemical messengers that transmit signals in the brain. Eggs contain tryptophan, an essential amino acid that is a precursor to serotonin, a neurotransmitter that helps regulate mood, appetite, and sleep. The protein and healthy fats in eggs contribute to stable blood sugar levels, which can help maintain consistent energy levels and mood throughout the day. Regularly including eggs in the diet can help prevent deficiencies in essential nutrients that are crucial for mental health. We would like to add that there are some important considerations for individuals who include eggs in their diet. While eggs are a nutrient-dense food, they do contain cholesterol. For individuals with high cholesterol levels or specific cardiovascular concerns, it may be advised to limit egg consumption or focus on consuming egg whites, which are cholesterol-free. Raw or undercooked eggs can pose a risk of salmonella infection. It's recommended to cook eggs thoroughly to reduce this risk, especially for vulnerable populations like young children, elderly individuals, pregnant women, and those with weakened immune systems. What's important, choosing eggs from reputable sources, such as organic or pasture-raised eggs, can provide additional nutritional benefits and ensure higher standards of animal welfare. While egg whites are primarily protein, the yolk contains essential nutrients like choline, B vitamins, and healthy fats. It's advisable to include the whole egg for a balanced nutrient profile, unless specific dietary restrictions apply. There you have it, folks. Eggs, nature's little powerhouse of goodness. They're not just delicious, but packed with nutrients that do wonders for your health. So don't be shy. Let those eggs find their way into your meals and enjoy the benefits. See you tomorrow in the next video. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.